If you've been looking for an air fryer that prioritizes health, precision, and long-term durability, this one might surprise you. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we take a calm, practical look at products so you can decide with clarity. Today we're reviewing the Nuwave Brio Plus 6-in-1 air fryer with a 7-quart capacity. It's designed for people who want fast, crispy cooking but without the concerns that come with traditional non-stick coatings or plastic interiors. If you cook regularly, care about safer materials, and want a modern air fryer that's easy to use, this could be highly relevant to you. If you'd like to check current pricing or availability, you'll find the purchase link in the description. Let's look at the most meaningful reasons people are choosing this model. Reason number 1. Truly non-toxic cooking materials. One of the standout qualities of the Nuwave Brio Plus is its 100% non-toxic cooking design. The interior is built with a 360-degree all-metal cooking chamber, which means food never touches heated plastic surfaces. This eliminates the chance of plastic odors or fumes during high-heat cooking. The basket itself uses a PFAS-free ceramic coating rather than traditional Teflon-style coatings. That's important because some conventional coatings can degrade at high temperatures. Here, the ceramic surface is designed for durability, healthier cooking, and easier cleanup. It's a feature that gives many owners extra peace of mind. Reason number 2. Precision temperature control for consistent results. Many air fryers only allow broad temperature adjustments, but the Brio Plus offers precise control from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. Combined with its linear T technology, the fryer maintains consistent heat rather than cycling unevenly. The result is more reliable cooking, crispy fries, evenly roasted vegetables, or properly dehydrated fruit without constant monitoring. This level of control is particularly useful for people who cook a variety of foods rather than relying on a single preset. Reason number 3. Turbo Convection for faster, even cooking. At the heart of the Brio Plus is its Turbo Convection system, powered by a 9-blade fan and adjustable wattage levels of 700 watts, 1,500 watts, or 1,800 watts. This powerful airflow circulates heat efficiently, helping food cook evenly with less flipping. It also shortens cooking time compared to many conventional ovens. For busy households, that means dinner can go from frozen to finished significantly faster while still achieving that crispy air-fried texture. Reason number 4. 6 cooking functions with 100 smart presets. Versatility is another strong point. The Brio Plus works as 6 appliances in one: air fryer, roaster, baker, toaster, dehydrator, and reheater. It also includes 100 built-in presets and 50 customizable programs designed by professional chefs. These presets automatically set time and temperature for common foods, reducing guesswork. For beginners, this makes air frying much easier to learn, while experienced cooks can still customize settings for precise results. Reason number 5. Thoughtful design for everyday convenience. Daily usability matters, and this air fryer focuses heavily on that experience. The full digital touch display replaces traditional buttons for a clean, modern interface. The 7-quart capacity is large enough for family portions, while still fitting comfortably on most kitchen counters. Cleaning is also straightforward. The ceramic basket and crisping rack are dishwasher-safe, and the non-stick surface resists food buildup. Quiet operation and automatic shutoff protection add an extra layer of convenience and safety. Final verdict: the Nuwave Brio Plus is a thoughtfully designed air fryer that focuses on health-conscious materials, precise temperature control, and reliable cooking performance. No product is perfect. The large 7-quart size means it takes up a bit more counter space than compact air fryers, and the extensive preset options may feel unnecessary for users who prefer simple manual cooking. However, for households that want safer non-toxic materials, strong convection performance, and flexible cooking functions, this model stands out in its category. It's also trusted by many 5-star reviewers who value its consistent results and thoughtful design. If you want an air fryer that balances health, performance, and long-term durability, the Brio Plus is certainly worth considering. If you'd like to explore it further, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. And as always, choose the product that best fits your kitchen, your cooking style, and your confidence. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence.